Hello, in this video we are going to fix this issue, like when you click on any video or any file and you press the space bar, this area is going to be visible. Like normally the preview will be going to be enabled, but somehow I don't know why, but this area is actually appearing instead of main previewing. So how we are going to fix? You just need to open the activity monitor, and this is the activity monitor, and you need to find quick wayfinder. So right click on it, double click on it, and then click the quit and the force quit. So after that, this area will be going to be removed. Close this and click on this button and hit the space bar. See, this is how we can fix this issue. Thank you.